Hello, I am David W. Parker. This is Programming Today I Learned, WebGL Series, Episode 39. We're going to be looking at 2D rotation yet again, but this time with the matrix. This will be pretty simple if you followed last episode, so let's get going. So here you can see, here's our general matrix multiplication example, and you can see it's a 3 by 3, and here's the output. If you compare to the rotation formulas we came up with previous episode, you'll see we want x cosine b for the rotation, and this is going around the z-axis, and then minus y sine b, and then sine b and y cosine b. So you can see in this equation, if we substitute a as cosine b, we substitute b as negative sine b, and then c to 0, we'll have the exact formula we need here. And you can do the similar thing for d, e, and f to get this formula. And you can do a 3 by 3 for what we needed, but to make it consistent with what we're doing in the translation matrix, where it's a 4 by 4, we'll do a 4 by 4 here as well. And you can extrapolate that out where all of these extra values are always going to be 0, and then 1 and 1, for where it's going to be z prime is equal to z, and w prime equal to w. And so that's what your matrix is going to look like. And that's all we really needed. Our vertex shader is the same as before, where we just have a transformation matrix in. And we can skip everything in this file because everything is the same until we get down to the bottom where we have the rotation matrix. You can see here this is just the identity matrix. So if we look at our triangle as it is, we have it going out halfway out, and it goes halfway or a quarter of the way up. And so if we go ahead and comment that out, and we go ahead and substitute in our values as before, all of this should look similar to the last time we did rotation in 2 dimensions. And now we just put those values in the rotation matrix and pass that in to the uniform as before. And now when we rotate, boom, it rotates up 90 degrees counterclockwise. That's it for this episode. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share it on social media if you will, and go to programmingtil.com and sign up for my newsletter. Have a great one.